National Forensic Science University, that is NFSU, is making waves with an overall rating of 4.3 stars on Shiksha.com. You can choose from 10 campuses across India and even internationally in Uganda. And you can study anything from forensics, behavioral sciences, cybersecurity, digital forensics, and allied sciences, even a 5-year BMBA, where you can get specialized in forensic accounting, fraud management, and business intelligence. On graduation, you can grab roles such as that of investigating officer, fraud investigator, or get into forensic accounting with companies like KPMG, Deloitte, ED, and even the crime investigation department. The highest package offered has 67 lakh per annum. Meanwhile, admissions are basis National Forensics Admission Test, that is NFAT. The 12-acre campus has an underground ballistic research center, a mini auditorium, a cyber defense center, and a forensic innovation center. For more details on NFSU and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now.